Hello and welcome to yet another video on Claude, presented by your mentor Vivek. Quick check. At Brightcard, how many times have you uploaded the same brand guidelines PDF into a fresh chat? 5? 10? That's donkey work, and today it ends. Projects give Claude a memory for your work. So, what is a project? A self-contained workspace inside Claude. Everything about one stream of work lives in one place, walled off from the rest. Each project carries 4 things of its own: memory, chat history, a knowledge base, and custom instructions. Start a chat inside and all of it is already loaded. When do you need one? 3 signals. You keep reattaching the same reference files. You want consistent rules on every response. Or your team needs shared context. Setting one up takes 3 moves. Watch. Move 1, create. Open projects in the sidebar. Hit new project. Give it a descriptive name. A description, that part is for humans. Claude never reads it. And pick visibility, private or open to your organization. Move 2, instructions. This is where you program Claude for this project. The context, the process, the tone, the hard requirements. You can even automate. Whenever I upload a call transcript, return a structured summary in this template. Every chat inside obeys. Move 3, knowledge. Hit the plus and load your files. PDFs, Word docs, CSVs, text, or connect Google Drive. One tip that pays forever: descriptive file names. Claude retrieves by name, so Q4 brand guidelines.pdf beats document1.pdf every single time. Here's the thing about big projects. When your knowledge base nears the context limit, Claude quietly switches to search and retrieve mode, pulling only what's relevant. You get up to 10 times the capacity. Same experience, with a small visual indicator. On team and enterprise plans, projects turn into team assets. Share Brightcard's festival campaign project with 3 permission levels: can view, can edit, owner, or open it to everyone at the org. Shared projects land in the Shared with Me tab. 4 habits keep projects sharp. Start focused, expand later. Keep the knowledge fresh. Stale files mean stale answers. Name every file descriptively. And when you ask, reference documents by name. So, knowledge uploaded once, rules obeyed everywhere. That's projects. Next unit. You ask Claude for a calculator and it hands you a working one. Artifacts, see you there. If you found this useful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for patient listening and see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.